Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos gravy. Start by melting butter and whisking in flour to form a smooth roux, then slowly add warm broth while stirring to avoid lumps. Season with chili powder, cumin, and salt, then simmer until slightly thickened. Finish by stirring in cheese gradually for a velvety texture and adjust spice level to taste before pouring over nachos. Serve immediately for best results. Gather ingredients and prep ahead for smoother cooking. Use yellow onion, garlic, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, chicken or vegetable broth, and shredded cheddar for melt. For spicy gravy, add jalapeno or cayenne, or for smoky depth, use smoked paprika. Keep cheese warm and grated for easier melting, and use medium-low heat to prevent grainy texture. Taste and balance salt and acid with a squeeze of lime if desired. Chop toppings while gravy simmers. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite makes kitchen breaks cozier, with a crisp display and long battery life, perfect while gravy simmers. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it as a simple gift idea for food lovers. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Control heat and whisk constantly to avoid lumps and curdled cheese. If gravy becomes too thick, whisk in a splash of broth. If too thin, simmer gently until reduced. Use low-sodium broth to manage salt, and grate cheese fresh to ensure smooth melting. For chunkier texture, add brown chorizo or beans, and always taste as you go to correct seasoning before pouring over warm tortilla chips for crispy, indulgent nachos. Serve family style for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.